My name is Jessica and welcome to Lumi Stitch. This channel is about cross stitch. I also have an Etsy shop and a Ko-fi link where I design my charts. All the info is going to be in the drop box below, but if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and if you have, thank you for subscribing and watching. And let's get started. Today I'm going to do a review of KS brand. Is it as good as painting fairy that has so much people talking about it? So this is the cross stitch that I purchased with my own money. This is not a cheap cross stitch. This is as expensive as fairy brand, and we're gonna review and see if it holds up to fairy brand quality. So I bought this on Dreamstitch website, and let's just go over some stats. So this chart is 76,608 stitches. The size of it is 346 stitches by 228, and I bought it in 18 count. So in inches, the stitch area will be about 27.2 inches by 20.5 inches, and in centimeters, the 18 count will be 69 centimeters by 52 centimeters. And let's look inside the book. So this is how their symbols are, and they go basically by, their ledger goes by 1 to 3, then the color symbol, and the DMC is in yellow right here. The chart, if you do want to stitch it on paper, they do have like each page, I should say, and the chart is fairly easy, so this should be an easy stitch. And this is like a whimsical design, and if you need something pick-me-up colors, then that's what it is. And let's talk about how much it cost. I paid out of pocket $45.99 plus tax. So I ordered about, like, I think $107 worth of stuff, and I got 3 kits. $10 out of it was like VAT. It's like the import tax. You can call it Trump tax or whatever. Okay, let's take a look at the floss. And this is what we can tell if it's as good as fairy brand. And the floss, I can tell you, this is exactly the same as fairy brand. And just look at those threads. They are exactly the same as fairy brand. In fact, I think they are a fairy brand threads. This is Egyptian long strand cotton, and it's also mercerized. It's like DMC. It's shiny and nice, and you can just feel it. This is not your cheap polyester. This is why you're paid premium if you want that good quality. And I think they probably have some kind of a business partnership where they print or they get the threads from painting fairy and put it in their kits. Of course, the organizers are not going to be plastic, and fairy brand big cross stitch kits, they do have a plastic organizer, and this is just cardboard, and this is just fine. Okay, on the organizer you'll see the corresponding number to the thread and a DMC on the top. With some beautiful, beautiful floss. Just look at that. This is, I can confidently say, is a fairy brand floss. So all 118 colors of beautiful pick-me-up happy colors to lift your mood. Color therapy, I should say. There is such a thing, you guys, as color therapy for people, where they go in their rooms and there is different lights, and we can do the same with cross stitch. Southern California does have some of this background like that, and if you especially go away from the ocean to San Bernardino County, you're gonna encounter that kind of. but this is more like an artist interpretation, and I love it, how colorful that is. Let's take a look at the canvas. So this is 18 count canvas. It does not come stamped right here with what count that is, so you wouldn't know. It doesn't say anywhere unless only in your order. It's big, but it's the smallest one I think so far that I got in that stamp cross stitch. And I'm gonna show you up close the ledger on here. The ledger is printed on here, and you can see the printing is very clear. I don't know if my camera is focusing good, but let's get a little smaller here so you can see. The printing is very good. And the canvas is not super, like, it's starch, but it's not super starch, and it's good quality. See, like if I wrinkle it up like that, you can tell it's already getting softer. So as you work with it, if you're working in your hands, it's gonna get softer. But I found it that putting it in the Q-snaps works the best for me. And I'm gonna get this started tonight, because why not, right? So many beautiful colors. Again, this is the kit, and it does come in this box. This box is like, has some kind of a embossing in the back. It's actually like a fancy box, so they do put a lot of love into these kits, and I think it is worth the money that you're paying for it. And thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.